हाय व्यूअर्स गाइस, ये है एकेडमी का एक बेसिक बैच जिसमें आज हम दूसरी या तीसरी बार डिबेट करने वाले हैं। डिबेट का टॉपिक होने वाला है ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग वर्सेस ऑफलाइन शॉपिंग। ये टॉपिक बहुत ही इजी और बहुत ही कॉमन है, बट इसके साथ साथ आई वांट देम टू कम अप विद देयर आइडिया, देयर एनर्जी एंड देयर ओन प्लेसमेंट्स। ओके, अब इन्होंने अभी तक टेंसेस सीखे हैं, मोडाल सीखे हैं। नाउ दिस इज द टाइम टू अलाइन दोस टेंसेस एंड मोडाल इन अ बेटर एंड प्रोडक्टिव वे, क्योंकि टेंसेस आना, मोडाल्स आना इज वन ऑफ द इजीएस्ट थिंग एवर, बट उन्हें प्रॉपर तरीके से यूज करना भी उतना ही जरूरी है। एट द सेम हम डिबेट क्यों करवाते हैं? क्योंकि ना हमारी दुनिया में लाइक वी पीपल, जैसे कि मैं खुद का भी एक एग्जांपल लूँ, तो हम सब लोग ना एक टाइम पे बहुत शाय होते हैं। हम सभी लोग बहुत अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं। हम दुकान पे जाते हैं, शादी में जाते हैं, बस पे जाते हैं, और वहाँ हमसे जब कोई कुछ पूछता है तो हमें लगता है यार क्या बोलूँ और क्या ना बोलूँ। इस चक्कर में हम क्या करते हैं, हम जवाब ही नहीं देते हैं, हम चुप रहते हैं, अपनी पर्सनालिटी को बिल्कुल ना अंदर से ख़त्म कर देते हैं। तो ऐसी चीज़ें ना हो, इसलिए ये डिबेट्स बहुत ज़रूरी होती हैं, क्योंकि डिबेट्स के दौरान इंसान बोलना सीखता है, इंसान आर्ग्यू करना सीखता है, इंसान अपने पॉइंट्स को रखना सीखता है, सामने वाले की बात को कहीं कहीं काटना सीखता है, और दिस इज क्वाइट इंपॉर्टेंट टू ग्रो. So we are going to have debate just right here. So here we have got two, team A and team B. So guys, are you people ready?
Everyone, this side Vikram, and this is my teammate, and today we are going to debate on topic online shopping. So we are on the favor of online shopping, and we must say online shopping is better than offline shopping at any cost, and we have several, then we have several, not we have much more ways through which we can say online shopping is much more better than offline shopping. So uh, first of all, I would like to pass my mic to another one.
In online shopping, in online
Hello guys, my name is Adarsh and here is my team. We would like to some share point of offline shopping. As we know that offline shopping and online shopping has unique advantage and disadvantage. We go with offline shopping. Offline shopping is a way of buying good service. We can visit offline store like mall, supermarket and local store.
Hello everybody, my name is Neelam Rawat. Online shopping is very good for everybody. Every online shopping you purchase anything, clothes, vegetables, and you use a Flipkart and Flipkart and Amazon, and you purchase anything, and you do not go to market, and very good online shopping is very good for every people.
But offline shopping avoid additional cost that come with offline shopping, such as delivery fees or return shipping charges. But we know that offline shopping less risk, and we know that of online shopping high risk. There is less risk of online shopping. Fraud, scams, and transactions occur in person. So, as you said, in online shopping there are multiple risks. So, could you tell me what kind of risk are there?
Like scamming, fraud, so many people who earn shortly income. So who go with scam like scammer made a same to same Amazon website, but it is not official website. It is local website, and some people just visit website and buy some product.
But it's
So, hello guys, my name is Gulshan Kapoor. I want to say that as per my friends, you said about the that is totally depend on users. So, I want to say here, if it is only depend on users, so what your website is doing, they all are having lots of security system. So why don't they do that against this? They are not doing against the clone website. They also know about the clone website is running outside. So why don't they take action against this?
No,
No,
you
everything is not user
no,
and consumer.
they
is-
take actions. Listen. They take action. There are cybercrime who always take actions, but there are a lot of illegal things that is happen because they, like, if I have a website, clone website, so if anyhow they get like catch by the cybercrime, so I can easily change the URL within a week, within a month. So the chances of getting into the hand of cybercrime will
there is
reduce.
also one point also come with the cybercrime, if you are saying cybercrime. So I think there is no fault of consumer, because they all are buying all of their hard money. So if I am going to online shopping, so I am purchasing
Don't you think
items.
snatching is so much common nowadays?
No, I want to say, please let me complete. I want to say that if I am buying online shopping from Amazon, so if I am talking about the Amazon, so Amazon is like a worldwide company. So if I am buying t-shirts, shirts, and anything, so if I if I insert my bank credit card, so they all are also disclose our personal detail also. They all are disclosing all of personal data.
The same thing can happen also in online offline shopping. Like if I visit to any offline shop, so there also I can pay my bill or payment by the credit card or debit card. So there also
I can change them, na. They all are standing there, na. I can change them. I can change them. Na.
Online shopping gives many facilities. You save your time. Online shopping, you buy any items. You wanna purchase any object, you purchase online shopping. But offline shopping limited resources. You went to market, but you give many resources. Online shopping gives many unlimited resource.
I agree with you, but when we visit offline shopping, so we can touch and feel the product before buy them. So it is good for us. We can easily use and touch. We can understand it is good for me or not. But this system not for online system.
You check online shopping. You buy this product. You check its revenue. Online shopping.
But there are lots of fake reviews in the online shopping apps, and they give money and they put the reviews in their apps and their products, and there are lots of types of option, and then we purchase from if we purchase from the online shopping app, then we unbox the box. There is a different item in the box. So how you can replace them?
You go offline websites. You purchase only offline website. Why you purchase fake website? Why you fake purchase?
We are using online या offline shopping. We are using online shopping.
We are not using online shopping. We only support offline shopping because we can touch, we can feel as we want, as
Okay,
we color.
so,
exactly
like,
we can
listen
buy,
me,
we can
like-
buy from this exactly. So if you want to say you are using, not say only you are using, but I am not using the online shopping. I will support only offline shopping. If I want mobile, so how can I buy mobile from online? You will say online, we can buy online mobile. So tell me one thing, that if I want to give a mobile same day, how can I buy online? I have to buy it offline.
So listen me, as per the data, like current data, total 79% out of the worldwide, they are using online shopping or online things. So they are, according to
Who
you
will-
or as per you, they are stupid.
who tell you about it? Who tell you?
Who tell you?
This is only depend on online na. Online is sharing with you online data. So why I
Like listen me. If I purchase something, so don't you think these data collect by the like online platform or the Google or something else? Yes. So behalf of that data, they if they say like around 79% people of the world, they are using online platform to purchase or to buy something, so they are wrong or right?
Wait. There are lots of sponsorship products.
Yeah.
There are lots of people and they contact me and they say we will give you the money and you will buy this product and simply give the and you take the product and you simply give the review only the product and product is your and they will give the money. This is how online works. And
So one thing that I want to ask, like if I want to purchase something from online, so there is a description or a specification. Behalf of that, we can check the item description. Is it for me or not?
but in a offline we can see in our
There is a review option also, bro.
our eyes.
There is a review option also.
But I have no time. I go offline shopping. I go market and I see object. I have not waste of time.
So tell me one thing that if you are getting married,
Getting what?
you are getting married. So tell me one thing that if you are supporting online shopping,
Yes.
So how can you buy gold jewelry from online or offline? Tell me one thing that.
I in Amazon. People are gold purchase in online shopping.
You know, before 2 months ago, a
Bhaiya,
person
bhaiya,
who buy 40 lakhs
Okay.
jewelry and after from online, after that he checked about the
Okay.
jewelry, the whole jewelry was
You-
fake, not original jewelry.
Like, listen, if anyone purchase item from the online, like, so once the item come in home, deliver your home, so you can check item is wrong or right. If it is right, then it's fine. If it is not right, so you can easily refund that item, return that item.
But bro,
Because there is a return policy also. If the guys are
not every product has all of things
so those items that are not return policy, you can purchase by the offline
but
shopping
bro,
simply.
You know,
you
if you
suppose
want.
offline-
No,
If you
there
want-
are only few. Listen. In emergency case, we can use offline. But
you want to say offline shopping is better than
But-
online shopping.
no. But I don't say. I didn't say online shopping is. I didn't say.
If you want to say online shopping is better.
You are getting wrong, bhaiya. You are getting wrong, bhaiya. Listen. You are getting wrong. I said if you are in emergency case, then you can use offline. In emergency, if there are few products.
But you said that you can when delivery boy comes, you check your product. Before delivery boy want money. Before
Cash on delivery.
Yes, cash on delivery, and also online payment method. You first pay payment. After payment, you check your item. So how can you say my money is safe or not?
And I am agree with you. Delivery boy give any project, he will give money and he come my house and he gives me a product. He also give money.
And online shopping part of technology. Technology improve, and then after some years, offline shopping is down and offline shopping is banned. But online shopping is grow because online shopping part of technology. So why do you go?
But in emergency, you want to come with offline shopping. You don't go to online shopping. And
Online shopping.
Once in a 10 year, if we purchase any item from offline shopping, so do you,
but seldomly there are
it is
clothes.
better than online.
Tell me one thing that if you are going outside and how can you buy online? Tell me one thing that. If you are traveling outside of Delhi, how can you buy online?
Why you order you order your object and you after that
If you are traveling outside of Delhi, let me
Bhaiya,
complete,
wait,
please
listen.
let me complete my
Listen.
point.
If I'm traveling outside, it means I'm free. Okay. Why people use online shopping? There are multiple options. Multiple advantages. One of them is also time management or also time saving.
Hey, done.